Ever wondered how companies keep their financial records accurate? The answer lies in a process called bank reconciliation. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? But don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. Imagine bank reconciliation as a detective story. The company and the bank are the main characters, each with their own version of events. Our job? To find out the truth. Take a company that deposits a $1,000 check into its bank account. This is noted in the company's cash book as a credit entry. The bank, of course, records this too. Both records are compared, and if they match, there's no mystery to solve. But what happens when the company makes a withdrawal? Let's say they write a check for $500 to pay for office supplies. The company records this as a debit in the cash book, and the bank deducts it from the account. Again, these records are compared. If they match, the case is closed. However, life isn't always that straightforward. There are times when transactions are recorded in the cash book but have not yet been processed by the bank, or vice versa. For instance, a check for $200 issued by the company, but not yet deposited by the recipient. In this scenario, the cash book shows a deduction, but the bank statement doesn't reflect it yet. These transactions are the plot twists in our detective story, and they need to be accounted for during the bank reconciliation. And then there are the bank errors, the unexpected turns in our tale. A deposit recorded as $1,500 instead of $1,000, a $50 account maintenance fee charged by the bank, but not reflected in the company's cash book. These discrepancies need to be investigated and resolved promptly. So, bank reconciliation is quite the detective story, isn't it? It's a process of comparing and reconciling, of finding discrepancies and resolving them. It's a crucial process that ensures the accuracy of a company's financial records. So the next time you wonder how companies keep their financial records accurate, remember our little detective story. The mystery, the investigation, the resolution, that's the essence of bank reconciliation.